Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and my heritage. I shall always try to be worth of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, along life and happiness. Jai Hind.
International and national news is brought to you by MR in the grade 7 sapphires. National news. California to expand healthcare coverage for low incomes of immigrants for New Year. National news. Kerala local bodies to go to digital with K Smart on January 1st. All the services at fingertips. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today's Students Post News is brought to you by Kaushal from Grades and Sapphire. State News. Ration card CKYC deadline expanded in Telangana. Sports News. Marchandon United lost against Nottingham Forest in Premier League. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Karthikar of Grades and Sapphire. Weather report: minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, partly sunny. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today thought of the day is brought to you by Ishwar from Grace and Sapphire. Thought: a native mind will never give a pause to life. Don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. I repeat again, a native mind will never give a pause to life. Don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. Thank you.
What is brought to you by Manish from Grades and Sapphire. Today's word, nightmare. It means a frightening or unpleasant dream. Friends, please spell after me. Nightmare. 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 Thank you.
Questions of current affairs is brought to you by Character from Grades and Sapphire. First question: who became as first woman chief of Industrial Security Force? I repeat my question. Who became as first woman chief of Industrial Security Force? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Vihasi. Second question. What is the full form of CISF? I repeat my question again. What is the full form of CISF? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Central Industrial Security Force. Third question. Which country has achieved substantial poverty reduction over 2005 to 2019? I repeat my question. Which country has achieved substantial poverty reduction over 2025 to 2019? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Kenya. Fourth question. Which state has ranked first for the third state year in recording the highest US of ICJS? I repeat my question again. Which state has ranked first for the third state year in recording the highest US of ICJS? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is ICJS. Fifth question. What is the full form of ICJS? I repeat my question again. What is the full form of ICJS? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is interoperable criminal justice system. Thank you. Today's Amazing Facts on Science is brought to you by Kiran Kishore from Gates and Sapphire. Amazing Facts. Fact number 1. The only solid elements that assume liquid form at room temperature are bromine and mercury. However, you can melt gallium by holding a lump in the warmth of your hand. Fact number 2. There is about 0.4 pound or 200 grams of salt NaCl in the average adult human body. Fact number 3. Many radioactive elements actually glow in the dark. Fact number 4. The speed of light is very fast. It travels at 299,792,458 meters per second. Fact number 5. Bodies give off a tiny amount of light that's too weak for the eye. Fact number 6. The average person has 67 different species of bacteria in their belly button. Fact number 7. You lost about 4 kgs of skin cells every year. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today list of Nobel Prize is brought to you by K. Karthik of Grade 7 Sapphire. Nobel Prizes in 2023 in Chemistry. Bunji Bhavandi, Louis Bruss and Alexei Ekimov for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. In Economics, Claudia Goldin for a research into female income and employment. In Literature, John Fazzi for his innovative plays, prose and style which has come to be known as Fazzi Minimalism. In Peace, Narges Mohammadi for her works on the promotion of feminism. In Physics, Pierre Agostini, Ferdinand Kras and Anne Lullier for experimental methods that generate attosecond pulses of light for the study of electron dynamics in matter. In Physiology or Medicine, Katalin Kanrico, Drew Weissman for their discovery concerning nucleoside base modification that enabled the development of effective mRNA vaccine against COVID-19. Thank you.
Today article about IPL is brought to you by N. Chakrada Reddy of Grade 7 Sapphire. Article about IPL. The Indian Premier League, IPL also known as the Tata IPL for sponsorship reasons, is a men's 2020 T20 cricket league that is annually held in India. The league is contested by 10 cities-based franchise teams. The BCCI founded the league in 2007. The competition is usually held in summer between March and May every year. It has an exclusive window in the ICC Future Tours program due to fewer international cricket tours happening during IPL season worldwide. The IPL is most popular cricket league in the world. In 2014, it was ranked 6th by average attendance among all sports leagues. In 2010, the IPL became the first sporting event to be broadcast live on YouTube. Thank you.
I love UP Kid Mr. Yogi Stars, Agra Mathura, first Indra District, Helicopter Service in Agra. Thank you. Surya of I am going to hear you international news. Pakistan successfully tests advanced rocket system in Sputnik 2, range of 400 kilometers. That is ballistic missile. Thank you. Today I brings you state news. Telangana government launches Prajaparalana program in Abraham Patnam on December 28, 2020 by Deputy Chief Minister Batti Vikram Mallu. Thank you. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Today, sports news. Coca-Cola extend with the international cricket continue for 8 years. Thank you. My name is Ayam. Today I am telling weather report. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Determination for a good change. Thank you. Knowledge is GK question. Question for grade 1. Who wrote National Anthem of India? Yes, you are right. Let us appreciate she. Question for grade 2. What is the national flower of Britain? Rose. Lotus. Yes, you are right. And answer is rose. Let us appreciate her. Question for grade 3. Which is the largest state of India? Rajasthan. Yes, you are right. And answer is Rajasthan. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. How many states are there in India? 28.